Hey you guys, what's up? I'm back after all the kids have been either sick, surgery. Oh, it's been a mess this weekend. Wife worked all weekend, so I couldn't really get out of here. But I'm out here. Steven has brought everything over except the gasket kit, but that's coming. It'll be here probably Tuesday, Wednesday. But for now, I'm gonna show you guys everything he brought, and we're gonna get the new engine on the engine stand, and we're gonna look at that. All right guys, before we get to the good stuff, I just want to say I appreciate to Steven that he did this. He organized everything. He put it all in these boxes, all the OEM stuff. Very nice and neat. So I shouldn't have any problem putting it back together. So now for the good stuff. The engine is in that box. We got to take that engine, put it on that stand, take that engine, put it in that box. This engine was sold to my buddy Cody. It is going to South Carolina June 8th. We'll be doing some video on his car. This engine will be going in the MR2. This is Steven's with the airy pistons, manly turbo tough rods. He got some Prayon 2 stage 2 cams, the modified S2000 oil pump, SuperTech valve train. And then over here we got the Skunk 2 intake manifold, the race version, the comp twin disc clutch, K-tuned fuel rail, K-tuned, what the hell is that? I don't remember. Let's see. Oh, 90mm throttle body. That thing is a monster. And then over here in this lonely box, we got the Tile 60mm wastegate, which will greatly help control boost levels. So let me set this camera up and we're gonna get the engine swapped and just take a look at it.
Everything I used to dream being real right now, now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go. Everybody wanna make millions, but not everybody been working. Everybody know they got brilliance, but not everybody been searching. Everybody rap about money and hoes, but they got neither. Everybody knows, always been keeping it real. Every time that I spit in the flow, I've been going to get it, they not gon' forget it. I've been going up, they been staying afloat. My music been personal, telling my stories. I'm telling the truth and my life been exposed. Talking to fans that we in it together. I'm never gon' turn even under the pressure. I'm keeping it true to myself. Don't matter to me if the curtains are open or closed. Everything I wanted, I got it. Always wanted more, so I never be stopping. Everyone asking when the new dropping. Pressure been building, but it's a good problem. Graduated college and now I got options. Always bringing more, all these rappers take caution. Always been bossing, everybody watching. Love every fan, just know you're not forgotten, no. Everything I used to dream being real right now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go down, till the lights go down. I've been feeling all.
Well guys, that was some back-breaking work, but here it is, the K24A2 CSS Aries pistons, 10-5-1, manly turbo tough rods. See if I can get a shot of those. Let me flip it around real quick. Hang on. Alright, manly turbo tough rods with the ARP 2000 bolts. You see those? There you go. Alright, this thing is beautiful. Like always from CSS, their stuff is top notch. For those that don't remember, my old block that I sold to Cody was also a CSS block. If I can get it open, I'll show you. See, K20 with the Wiseco 11 to 1 piston, Manley turbo tough rods as well with the ARP 2000 bolts. But yeah, let's can't really do too much without the gasket kit, but man, it is so nice. So there it is. So since this video is kind of short and we're still waiting on the gasket kit to get here, let me just go through some of these parts and show you some of the stuff he has ordered to help him make 850 horsepower. So the first thing we got, this thing is massive. It's a 90 millimeter throttle body. You can fit my whole fist in there, from K-Tuned. Now this is going to be very high up on the need list, because man, you just need the most air you can to cram in that engine when you're trying to make big power. And it also came with this some screws and some other things. Now I'm not going to be saying prices on any of this stuff, so if you want to know how much it is, just ask and I can help you out, or you can look it up on their website. So the next thing is this nice massive tile 60 millimeter wastegate. It's huge, man. So this will help control boost levels. He has a turbo manifold coming from Sheepy. Should be here any day now. We also have this nice K-Tuned fuel rail. This is very nice. I had this on my personal car. And to go inside that fuel rail, you need some big injectors. So we contacted Injector Dynamics, and we have the 2000 cc injectors. These bad boys can do 1,000 horsepower by themselves with just 4, which is absolutely amazing. So Injector Dynamics, great company. I know Derek really likes it to tune with them. Really easy to tune with. So, and to control that massive pressure that we're going to need controlling of, we got the Magna fuel pressure regulator. This is a bad boy. This was on mine, and this thing controls pressure great. No problems with it. Fairly cheap too. What else? Okay, so we got some SuperTech valve springs to handle the boost so the valves don't start floating. These bad boys here. With the new seats, the new spring seats, the high performance retainers. The only thing that he needs to get is the retainers. We got this bad boy too. This goes on the bottom, holds the timing chain. So if you're doing a cam swap or anything, it'll be super easy to do, and you won't drop the chain. The chain won't drop, I should say. And Inline Pro timing chain tensioner will help do the job, and it will not fail. I also run this on my personal vehicle. Now, we have some Prayon 2 billet stage 2 cams. These will help spool the turbo faster. Let me take it out. These will help spool up the turbo real nice, so we don't have to use all the boost. These are really nice. Put that back. that is the upper half there. Let me grab this intake. And for the big thing here, to get all the air with that 90mm throttle body, we have the Skunk 2 Ultra Race manifold, no spacer. So the big opening will match with that 90mm perfectly. That's Skunk 2. Guys, we also have brand new OEM chain from Honda, timing chain. And we have these nice, I'm not going to unwrap them, but the Speed Factory L19 head bolts for the extra clamping force with the washers and the nuts. Extra clamping force to hold this sucker down under all that boost. Yeah, fun times. We have the OEM, but modified OEM, S2000 oil pump. This thing will handle anything you throw at it, and it will not leave the engine starving for oil, which is a great thing. It's already got the plate on there, and it's got a plate over here. It's already been assembled. It'll be simple for me to put on. And it also comes with the bolts, which is great. I was using just a OEM Type S ported pump. Either one will do. Over here we have this nice twin disc clutch for the E153 transmission, and I'll be honest with you, it is tiny. I thought these things were bigger, but these discs are real tiny. So there it is. Uno, dos, this. Competition clutch. This thing could probably handle, what, 1,000 horsepower maybe? Alright guys, well, that's it. That's all the parts we have today. Really upset. I know you are probably too. I really wanted to get this thing put together. It should only take us a couple hours to assemble it, if that, because we have everything's labeled. I don't have to fish for anything. So, but other than that, after we assemble the engine, I'll get the transmission off the old engine, and I will show you guys how to put on the Hux Racing adapter kit. There's a couple things you gotta grind. You gotta grind out where the axle goes. You gotta grind out where the slave goes to make clearance for both of those. But other than that, that's it. I will see you guys probably Wednesday, Thursday-ish. But yeah, so hang in there with me. I appreciate you guys' support. Consider subscribing and follow along this 850 horsepower build. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you then. Bye.